Hello everyone, welcome to IMS GATE Academy. Here is an announcement from the ONGC. ONGC has announced that they will recruit through the GATE 2023. So this is the detailed notification. Here the recruitment of GTs in engineering and geosciences discipline through GATE 2023. So pay scale, emoluments and other financial benefits are here. Post level will be 1E1. The pay scale, basic pay will be 60,000 to 1,80,000. Allowances are given here only. And the name of the post and eligibility criteria. However, the essential qualification will be the BTech degree with minimum 60% marks, and you should have a valid GATE scorecard. Then you will call for the personal interview. But still the details are here. For AEE cementing mechanical engineering category C, minimum essential qualification is graduate degree in mechanical engineering with minimum 60% marks, and the GATE subject and code will be mechanical engineering ME. Next, AEE petroleum, then the subject and code will be petroleum only. Essential, the qualification is 60 marks in petroleum engineering. Civil, same thing, civil engineering with 60% marks. Code will be civil engineering only. And you can see the details here. The similarity with the AEE civil, AEE electrical, AEE electronics, AEE instrumentation, AEE mechanical, production chemical, environment. You can see the things here. And one more post is here which for the computer science students, and that is the programming officer. So the programming officer category A, category B, C, D, E are here. Graduate degree in computer engineering with minimum 60% marks. Graduate engineering degree in information IT with minimum 60% marks. Okay, or it is MCA and CS, it's written here. So the GATE will be GATE paper code, and branch will be computer science and information technology CS only. Okay, so you can see that the transportation officer post is also here, which is for mechanical engineering, auto engineering and mechanical engineering here. So the main thing is that they are recruiting through the GATE 2023. Now what is the selection process? We can see here the detail. Age limit as on the 31st July 2023. The age limit will be 30 for unreserved, OBC 33, SC ST 35, PWBD 40, and for AEE it's given here 28, 31, 33 and 38. Okay, and here the number of posts with reservation for SC ST will be posted at the ongcindia.com subsequently at the time of inviting the online application. Okay, selection process, it's based on the selection process will comprise of the following. First, GATE 2023. GATE 2023, the desirous eligible candidates having essential qualification for the advertised post are required to apply and appear in GATE 2023. Second thing is the candidates possessing the requested qualification for it's according to the qualification and GATE subject with code under eligibility criteria. So when you will fill the GATE examination form, then you should mention the code which is their eligibility criteria. Okay, and the next thing is marks obtained, and then you will be shortlisted for the personal interview as per the criteria decided by the management. Now how to apply? Candidates will have to separately apply online to ONGC, for which link will be activated on the April or May 2023 after the GATE examination result, which is www.ongcindia.com. Okay, and the exact date will be announced on the website of ONGC only. Applying for GATE, if you still not applied for the GATE, then here you can apply. Go on this link and you can fill the form of GATE here only, because the important dates for the GATE examination is GATE online application process already started from the 30th of the August and it will be available till the 30th of the September. GATE 23 examination will be held on the 4th, 5th, 11th and 12th February 2023. Announcement of result will be on 16th of the March, and activation of link of ONGCindia.com will be in the tentatively it's on in April or May 2023. Okay, so you can go through after the get exam result only and you can go through the details. Okay guys, so अगर अभी तक आपने गेट का फॉर्म नहीं फिल किया है, so you can fill the form and proceed for the ONGC also. Thank you guys.